Namaste yogis, I'm Parul and this is my yoga fundamental series where today we will be doing the cat pose or the Marjaryasana. It is a great warm-up pose for your yoga practice. It strengthens the muscles, the hands, the wrists and prepares you for a down dog. It stretches your back and neck and provides a gentle massage to your spine and belly organs. So let's hop on the mat and try this.
So let's begin from a tabletop position. Take a deep inhale. Make sure your knees are set directly below your hips and your wrists, elbows and shoulders are in line and perpendicular to the floor. Keep your head in a neutral position and eyes gazing down at the floor. Now as you exhale, actively press the floor away. Pull your belly in. Round your spine toward the ceiling, making sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Release your head toward the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. Inhale, come back to the neutral tabletop position on your hands and knees. Inhale and exhale for 5 to 7 breaths for a gentle warm-up. This pose is often paired with the cow pose on the inhale for a warm, gentle, flowing vinyasa.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. Try this pose and let me know if you have any questions. Do comment, like and subscribe. See you next time. Namaste.